What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, I wanted to do a quick analysis, a full market analysis um, on the price of Bitcoin, and therefore, I use Bitcoin a lot for as like a benchmark for the total crypto market. I don't like analyzing like the total crypto market cap on charts. That's why I do Bitcoin. The market tends to correlate a lot with Bitcoin and vice versa. So yeah, I'll basically do a quick technical analysis with some fundamental insights in this video. Basically, Bitcoin is dropping. As you can see, we dropped down to 40,260. Volume is still up. That might be because people are dumping their Bitcoin right now, which is possible. There's a lot of news going on in the world, of course, right now with unrest in Eastern Europe. First of all, and second of all, the unrest caused by inflation and everything that comes because of that inflation, such as interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, are quite trending right now. But obviously, inflation with this for a very globalized world will spread throughout the whole world, and a lot of major banks will probably increase their interest rates. I think that's inevitable. I'm not sure what it will do with the price of Bitcoin and crypto and stocks right now. A hike of like 0.25% for the US dollar. I'm just not sure what that will do with Bitcoin. Short term it will probably let it drop, but I'm not sure if that will like prevent a more bullish trend from happening. And I'm more interested in seeing what will happen after that. I really do think that the interest rates or the inflation rather is quite high now, but I think the inflation numbers in like half a year or like 3/4 of a year will be less than expected for a lot of reasons, but I'm not going into that too much about that right now. So I'm very interested to see what will happen after the interest rate hike, which I think is inevitable. But yeah, who knows? So I'll keep a close eye on that. So if we actually take a look at Bitcoin, and therefore, as I said, the whole market, I said it as well in my in the Discord, which you can join down in the comments, is that we were, when I did the analysis, we were at a really important price level right here. It's a really strong key level at around 41,000, a little bit below that, but it also coincided with this trend line, which the market is not really trending right now, but if it were trending was also more important. So I think what happens right now really depends on what we do at this point of time, basically. So if this particular candle manages to stay above, let's actually zoom in, manages to stay above 40,855, so it has a little more than an hour to do so, I think at least. Yeah, I'm not sure if that really is the same with all time zones. It's an interesting thing. But if we manage to stay above that, then we might see some more bullish things, but as soon or some more bullish days, so something like go up to 42,000, maybe consolidate between 41 and 42,000, but staying above that would, in my opinion, be an indicator of us being able to get to that 44,000 level again quite soon. But what I think actually is more likely as of right now, like something like 60-40 in percentages to being more likely, is that we will actually break that. And as soon as we break that for 40,800 level, so we close below that, we might find some support at around 40,000, which is obviously a big psychological support level, but to be honest, it's not that much of a technical support level. The bigger support level is below there, between, to be precise, 39,300 and 38,500, which I do think, if we break that, we're going to drop down to there. I drew this move, I don't think that really is going to happen, but that wouldn't be a good thing, and we'll probably consolidate. We'll probably drop down to 38,500. As I said, in the scenario we break this level right here, and at least consolidate between, I think, 41,000, 40,500 and 38,500. But I'll probably post an update fairly quick to that if that happens. Because to be honest, if things go south in the world, we could easily drop down to 35,000 and such levels again as well. So I'll monitor it closely and update it when I think that's necessary. But as for now, I just this is my analysis on the whole market with some fundamental insights, a little bit of a technical analysis. So if you have any questions, if you want to start a discussion, that's always possible in the comments. So yeah, as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.